Okay, so now I am ready to make the cover for the I Spy book. And I like the red in the I Spy and the scholastic here and then the little trim. So I thought I would do some heavy corduroy. But before I do that, I want to show you where I'm at with the book block. Okay, so here is the book block. It was all kettle stitched, and then I have taken my like muslin and put glue on it and did a the fabric. I'm not sure what you call those again. But you put it through the kettle stitching and then you glue it onto your book. So here is where I'm at. And so this is a heavy, these are heavy pages. They're very high gloss, heavy pages. So I have let this dry overnight and now I'm ready to make the book cover to put this in, okay? So I need to put this in and then or make the cover, and then we're going to put the book block in. So just thought I'd pop on the camera and do that. I need to make sure my phone is silenced for you. Okay, so I have it spaced out. I have it squared on my grid so that my book is aligned straight. And I'm leaving probably a little more than, let's see, I have a ½ centimeter in between each like joint there. So the reason I'm doing that is because I want the book to lay flat because we did a kettle stitch block. But I needed a heavy, this book is going to get lots of wear, so I am doing corduroy, and corduroy is thick, so I want to make sure there's enough space in the joint for the book to bend. Alright, so I am going to put this on here. I'm going to measure so how I know how far over that I want my glue to be. And I'm not covering any words or anything, because usually I only like to do a little bit of the front, but I think I'll do it a third, 2/3. So I think I will do it, or should I just leave it halfway? I think I'll just leave it halfway to be great. So I'm just making a visual mark of how far over I want the glue to be. So sometimes I just lay my fabric on there to just give me a visual on, and I push the boards down so that when I'm putting the glue on that I'm not moving my boards, that I just aligned on there. So I'm going to do this same type of book for my grandson, which she wanted, my daughter wanted some little golden books that she used when she was little. And instead of having a whole bunch of these books, she wanted one big, chunky, nighttime book that she could use. So I'm going to be doing the same thing with little golden books that she has chosen and I have picked out for her, or bought, you know, thrifted. And I am going to make a large lullaby book for her. I'm just being careful not to move the books. Alright, so I want my fancy edging to be at the top. And I'm just going to lay this over. Looks like I need to bring it down a tad. Once you lay this stuff, there, stretch it out here. Love corduroy. Oops, I think I moved it a little bit. Okay. Nope, okay, I'm good. There we go. All right, so I'm just pressing this down really good. This is really thick fabric. You know, it's corduroy, so the glue is not going to seep through it. If you are using a cotton or lightweight, you would probably want to smooth it out with your finger or with a paintbrush or a piece of paper or whatever. All right, so now I'm not going to do corduroy on the inside because I am going to be putting this block into the book with end papers. So I will be putting end papers on there. So, or no, yeah, sorry. The end paper is already in there. So this is, I'm sorry, this is already the end paper. So this will get glued in, this to the book on the inside, and this is the same on this side, okay? All right, so that's where we're at. I'm gonna let this glue rest on here. And then I'm gonna flip her over and put my edges up here. So I make sure, did I move that a little bit? No, I think yep, I did it a little bit. Shoot, I did. Yep. So I think I'll be all right. Yep, she's already adhering, so I need to put this on here. Okay, put these edges up. And the same thing here. A little bit there in the corners. Okay. Where'd my wet one go? Okay. All right. Perfect. So let's see how it lays flat. Perfect, that's what I want. All right, the key to it is the space between here, but as long as you have thick fabric, you know, that holds it, that's what you want. Okay. And then just pushing those in there. Alright, so I don't care about this because I'm putting the block in there, so you're not going to see it. Okay. So now what I will be doing is gluing the block in. Now I will trim this off unless I want to have, oh, I got some the glue on me. So the block will go in there like that. And then I have created one huge now book with, won't that be nice? Look at that. So now I will have one complete big book that was, I think, 6? Was it 6 books that were in there? So, love it. All right. So then it will look like that. But see, this one I left a little extra on there, which I can trim. I'll trim that off, but so yay! I'm loving it. Yep. So what I'll do is this paper will get glued. So it will get glued here like this. So when we center that in the book, this paper will get glued down, and then this paper will get glued down. Or I can make completely different end papers all together and make it out of scrapbook paper or a cardstock or whatever, because it does have to be a hefty thing. So yeah, love it. That will be so nice. Look at that. She will have an entire I Spy set of books in one altered book. Oh, she's going to love that. I do love this corduroy, so. And I'm glad I picked the treasure hunt, because it is a treasure hunt for I Spy. I really like that. So, yep. So look at that. The pages lay flat. Beautiful. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So, yes. All right. So there we are. Yay! So I will continue on with when we're all done and let you know when I'm all finished. So I will continue on in a little bit. All right.